Baconator fries is one of my favorite fast food treats. But sometimes I'm feeling a little lazy and I don't want to go drive all the way there and pick them up.
Today on this episode, we're going to recreate Baconator fries at home using real delicious ingredients.
On this episode of Cookin' with Coop. Okay, Mom, so what ingredients constitute Baconator fries?
Fries,
Yeah.
bacon,
Bacon.
cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce.
That's it.
Okay, what is the first step?
The first step is to add your potatoes to the air fryer, or you could add it to an oven, 425 degrees, to the crispness that you like.
Yep.
To the crispness that you like.
But we're doing air fryer today.
We're air frying. We're gonna put it in there at
Max crisp!
to the desired doneness that we like.
Mm-hmm.
Our fries are all set and we're gonna get moving on our cheese sauce.
Okay.
You start with a little bit of milk in the pan, and then you're just gonna add both cheeses. Your Velveeta, it's about a cup of Velveeta, a cup of cheddar. Put it all in with the milk just to get it a little bit loose.
Okay.
Cook her up until it's nice and creamy.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Easy.
We're gonna take our fries, we're gonna pour the cheese sauce on top, we're gonna top it with the bacon. Oh, and if you wanna know how to make that crispy bacon, check out our last episode where we tested out 3 different ways to make the best bacon.
Oh yeah. Dang, Mom, those look good.
They really do!
And now it's time for
The taste test.
We gotta make sure.
Let's get a cheesy one.
Yeah, cheesy
And bacony.
bacony.
And,
Think it.
think it.
Wow. Those actually taste exactly like Baconator fries.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
So we had the combination of cheddar and Velveeta, right?
Yeah.
And then the bacon on top. It tastes the same, y'all. It tastes the same.
Delicious.
And we made it at home.
We did. And it was wholesome goodness.
It was wholesome goodness. Also, I wouldn't be surprised if this was a little bit more healthy for your tummy.
Sure thing. Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. And thank you guys for watching another episode of Cookin' with Coop. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Cookin' with Coop.
We nailed it. Okay. So let's get our fries in.
Definitely blew out my ears as I'm editing this. Sorry to myself.
It's all right.